In this video, you will learn about masonry. When structures are built by using mortar to bind together bricks, stones, concrete blocks arranged in specific ways, it is called masonry. The person who builds the structures is known as a mason. All the buildings that we see around us, whether they are houses, schools, or commercial complexes, from single-floor constructions to high-rise apartments and skyscrapers, all these structures are the result of masonry or have been made using the principles of masonry. Though masonry is possibly as old as agriculture, over centuries, it has grown into a complex and challenging industry using rapidly evolving technologies. Today, with the world's population increasing at unprecedented levels, more people need homes to live in, as well as infrastructure to support their lifestyles. This means that there is a higher demand for masons than ever before. Now that you know about what masonry is and what a mason does, you'll be able to learn how to become a helper mason with this series of videos.
A half bat with half the length of an uncut brick is useful when filling gaps and as headers of half a brick's thickness. To cut a half bat, first place the measuring tape along the length of a brick and draw a line separating it into two equal parts. Place the chisel on the marked line and tap gently with a hammer. Gradually cut into the brick until it finally breaks. You now have two half bats. A 3/4 bat, measuring 3/4 of the length of an uncut brick, is commonly used at coarse ends and to fill corners. To cut a 3/4 bat, first place the measuring tape along the length of the brick and draw a line 1/4 of the way from the width of the brick to the opposite edge. Here, it measures 1.5 inches, with an extra ½ inch accounted for breakage. Place the chisel on the marked line and tap gently with a hammer, gradually cutting into the brick until it finally breaks. You now have